Imagine if I told you that by saving just a small amount every month, you could become a Lakhpati in just a few years. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Wallah English. SBI has launched a brand new recurring deposit scheme called Har Ghar Lakhpati. And today I am going to explain everything about it in detail with numbers and examples along with rules, so that by the end of this video, you will know exactly whether this scheme is a right choice for you or not. So what exactly is this scheme? Har Ghar Lakhpati is a specially designed recurring deposit where you deposit a fixed amount every month, and on maturity you receive 1 lakh rupees or even more depending on the tenure you choose. It's basically the concept of small savings turning into a big return. A disciplined saving habit is all you need. Now let's talk about who can apply for this scheme. The good news is it's open to all residents of India. You can open it as a single account or a joint account. Even minors above the age of 10 can have their own account, provided they can sign, and parents can also open accounts on the behalf of their children. So whether you are a student, a working professional, a homemaker, or even a senior citizen, this scheme is designed for everyone. But the big question is, how much do you need to deposit every month to actually become a Lakhpati? SBI has already done the calculations for you. If you want to achieve 1 lakh in just 3 years, you'll need to deposit around 2510 rupees per month. If you are willing to wait 5 years, then just 1420 per month is enough. And if you are patiently continuing for 10 years, then all you need to deposit is 610 rupees per month. This table shows you everything in detail now. The best part is that senior citizens and SBI staff members can even get more benefits because they enjoy higher interest rates, which means they need to deposit a little less to reach the same goal. In simple words, you can customize your savings based on your budget and your patience. Before moving forward, since I'm telling you that you can do your investments in a particular scheme, but do you know where should you invest before that? In yourself and for your family. And in this, Policy Bazaar can help you with their health and term insurance plan. Policy Bazaar term insurance plan starts with just 699 premium per month, which gives you a coverage up to 2 crores and up to 15% discount is there, and it is one of the most trusted insurance partners. Its health insurance starts with a premium of 400 to 500 rupees per month, where you can get a coverage of up to 1 crore rupees, and it also gives 30-minute claim support. So do check out the link in the description if you want to know more about your family's financial future. Let's continue with the video. Now let's look at the tenure, interest rates and returns. The duration of the scheme ranges from 3 years to 10 years. The interest rates vary depending on the type of customer you are. For the general public, it ranges from 6.30% to 6.55%. For senior citizens, it's between 6.80% to 7.05%. For SBI staff, the rates go even higher, from 7.30% to 7.55%. And for senior citizens who are also SBI staff, the benefit is the maximum, ranging from 7.80% to 8.05%. Since the interest is compounded annually, your money keeps growing faster, and at the end of the maturity, you receive the final amount rounded off to the nearest rupee. Of course, every scheme comes with a few rules, and this one is no different. So you can make partial payments and even advance payments, but the maturity date will not change. If you delay your installments, you will have to pay a penalty of 1.50 rupee per 100 rupee for deposit up to 5 years, and 2 rupee per 100 rupee for deposits beyond 5 years. So if you miss 6 installments in a row, your account will automatically close and the remaining balance will be transferred to your linked saving account. If you want to close your account prematurely, a penalty ranging from 0.5% to 1% will be applied depending on the principal amount. So yes, discipline is very important here. As for tax rules, TDS will be applicable as per the Income Tax Act. If the annual interest earned exceeds 40,000 for general depositors or 50,000 for senior citizens, tax will be deducted at source. In case you miss 3 consecutive installments, a small service charge of rupees 10 will also apply. Now, why should you consider joining this scheme? Think about it. Most of us spend at least 600 rupees every month on unnecessary things like extra tea or snacks or cigarettes. If you redirect that same money into this RD scheme, In 10 years, you will have a guaranteed 1 lakh rupee in hand. No risk, no worries about the stock market or mutual funds, just safe, fixed and assured growth of your money. That's what makes this scheme special. Discipline plus guaranteed returns equal financial security. So friends, if SBI Har Ghar Lakhpati scheme is perfect for anyone who doesn't want to take risk but still want to build a strong and secure future. Now I want to know from you, how long would you like to wait to become a Lakhpati? 3 years, 5 years or 10 years? Tell me in the comment section, because I really want to see how patient my audience is. And if you found this explanation useful, do not forget to like the video, share it with your family and friends and subscribe to the channel. And I, Mansi, will see you in the next video.
Boss Wallah. Be the boss.